Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things travel, adventure, and lifestyle. Our mission is to inspire and equip you with practical tips, tricks, and insights for your next journey. Whether it's globetrotting, a weekend getaway, or a wilderness trek, we've got you covered. From the most scenic routes to the best travel gear, we bring a world full of adventure right to your screen. Today, we delve into a thrilling topic: 10 things you need when traveling alone for adventure. First on our list, a reliable backpack. This is an essential item that you simply cannot overlook. When you're on the move, you want to be able to carry all your necessities with ease and comfort. A sturdy backpack is a must-have for any solo adventurer. Imagine a backpack that is lightweight, so it doesn't weigh you down on those long treks. It should also be durable, ready to withstand the rigors of the road, the wilderness, or even the urban jungle. From the scorching sun to a sudden downpour, your backpack should be able to brave it all. That's where a waterproof feature comes in handy, keeping your belongings safe, dry, and ready for use. But a backpack is more than just a carrier. It's an extension of you, a companion that never leaves your side. It's a virtual home away from home, holding your world within its confines. So remember, a great backpack is your best friend on any solo adventure. Next up, navigation tools. In the realm of solo adventuring, being able to find your way is paramount. You see, it's not just about reaching your destination. It's about the journey, the twists and turns, the discoveries around every corner. And for that, you need a reliable map and compass. They're old school, sure, but they're foolproof. They don't run out of battery, and they don't need a signal. But we're living in the 21st century, so let's not discount the value of a good GPS device or app. They can provide real-time updates, reroute you around obstacles, even suggest points of interest. Just make sure you're familiar with their use before you set off. Practice makes perfect, after all. And one more thing, don't just rely on your tools. Learn to read the landscape, the stars, the wind. It's a skill and art even that will serve you well on your ventures. Remember, a true adventurer never gets lost, they just find new paths. Third on our list, a first aid kit. This small box could be a lifesaver, quite literally. When you're out adventuring, you never know what could happen. A slip, a stumble, or a surprise insect bite, it's important to be prepared for all eventualities. Your first aid kit should be well stocked with bandages for wounds, antiseptics to clean any cuts or scrapes, and pain relievers for those unexpected headaches or aches. And let's not forget any personal medication you might need. If you're a regular medication taker, always carry an extra supply with you. It's also a good idea to include items for common issues like allergies or stomach upsets. But remember, a first aid kit is not just about physical health. It's also about peace of mind. Knowing you've got a backup plan if things go wrong can make your adventure all the more enjoyable. Safety first, because an adventurer in good health is an adventurer ready for anything. Fourth on the list, a multi-tool. Now, this is a handy little device that wears many hats. Imagine you're out on an adventure, miles away from the nearest store, and you need to open a can of food. Or perhaps you need to cut a rope to set up a hammock between two trees. Maybe you need a screwdriver to fix a loose part on your equipment. This is where a good multi-tool steps up. It's like carrying a toolbox in your pocket. Compact, versatile, and incredibly useful, a multi-tool can be a lifesaver in a multitude of situations. It's the Swiss Army knife of travel essentials, designed to help you navigate through the unexpected hiccups that come with adventure travel. And the best part? They're lightweight and take up very little space. A multi-tool, because you never know what you'll need until you need it. Halfway through our list, we have a water purifier. Access to clean drinking water is not a guarantee when you're out exploring the unknown. Untreated water can harbor harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites, which can put a quick end to your adventure with a nasty bout of illness. That's where a portable water purifier steps in. This compact device is a lifesaver, literally. It's designed to filter out 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, ensuring you have a reliable source of safe drinking water wherever your travels take you. Imagine being in the wilderness with no civilization in sight. You come across a stream. It looks clean, but looks can be deceiving. With a water purifier, you can quench your thirst without a worry. So if you're planning to venture off the beaten path, a water purifier is a must-have. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep exploring. Sixth on our list, emergency food. When you're out exploring the unknown, it's more than likely you'll burn a lot more energy than you're used to. That's why it's critical to always have a supply of non-perishable, high-energy food on hand. Imagine hiking up a steep mountain or wading through a dense forest. The last thing you want is to be slowed down by hunger. High-energy, easy-to-carry food options are your best bet. Think along the lines of energy bars, trail mix, or even freeze-dried meals. These food items are lightweight, compact, and most importantly, they provide the nutrients necessary to keep you going. Energy bars are packed with protein and fiber, making them a fantastic source of sustained energy. Trail mix, with its combination of nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and sometimes chocolate, offers a quick energy boost. Freeze-dried meals, on the other hand, are perfect for those longer adventures where a hot meal can make all the difference, because hunger should never stop your adventure. 7th on our list, a portable charger. Imagine this, you're hiking up a rugged mountain trail, miles away from civilization, and your GPS device goes dead. Scary, right? That's where a portable charger can be a lifesaver, literally. These compact powerhouses ensure that your devices like smartphones, tablets, or GPS units never run out of juice, making sure you're always connected and able to call for help if needed. Now let's talk about solar-powered chargers. These are a godsend for off-grid adventures. With just a bit of sunlight, they can replenish their reserves and keep your devices running. No need to worry about finding a power outlet in the wilderness. Not to mention, it's an eco-friendly way to stay powered up. So, never underestimate the importance of a portable charger when setting off on your solo adventure. It's not just about convenience, it's about safety. Keep your lifelines charged and ready. 8th on our list, appropriate sleeping gear. When embarking on an adventure, a good night's sleep is as important as the adventure itself. It's not just about physical rest, but also about mental rejuvenation. You want to wake up feeling refreshed, ready to take on the next day's challenges. So, what should you pack? Lightweight tents are a fantastic option. They're easy to carry, quick to set up, and provide a safe shelter from the elements. But if you're traveling light or venturing into warmer climates, consider a hammock. It's a fun, space-saving alternative, and nothing beats a night under the stars. Then, there's the sleeping bag. Look for one that's suitable for the expected weather conditions and compact enough for your backpack. A good sleeping bag is essentially your portable bed for the journey. Remember, your sleeping gear is your nighttime sanctuary. Choose wisely. Sleep well, wake up refreshed, and ready for the next day's adventure. 9th on our list, weather-appropriate clothing. You see, when it comes to adventure travel, your outfit is not just about style, but survival. Dressing appropriately for the weather and environment can mean the difference between a memorable trip and a disastrous one. Imagine trekking through a rainforest in a cotton tee or trudging through snow in sneakers. Not ideal, right? That's where the concept of layering comes in. It's a simple yet effective method of dressing in multiple layers that can be easily added or removed according to the weather. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, add an insulating middle layer, and finish with a waterproof outer layer. And let's not forget about your feet. Comfortable, durable footwear is a must. Whether you're navigating rocky terrain, crossing streams, or hiking up a mountain, your feet will thank you for a good pair of shoes. So remember, dress smart, stay comfortable, and enjoy your adventure. Last but certainly not least, a positive attitude. This may seem like an intangible item, but it's as essential as any gear you pack. Traveling alone for adventure is an exciting journey, yet it comes with its share of challenges. Unforeseen circumstances, language barriers, or even just the unfamiliar can sometimes throw us off balance. But here's where a positive attitude makes all the difference. It allows us to embrace the unforeseen as part of the adventure, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. It encourages us to learn new languages, forge new relationships, and immerse ourselves in the unknown. A positive mindset is more than just a cheerful disposition. It's a tool that helps us adapt, overcome, and ultimately enjoy the journey. So, as you pack your backpack, don't forget to pack a hearty dose of positivity. Carry a positive attitude, and every adventure will be a memorable one. There you have it, 10 essentials for your solo adventure. From a reliable backpack to weather-appropriate clothing, these items are your ticket to a safe and memorable journey. Remember, preparation is key, but your greatest ally is a positive attitude. No matter what the road throws at you, face it with a smile. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more travel tips and adventure inspiration. Safe travels!